Good morning, students of Standard 8. Welcome in day 28. As you know that in day 27, I have discussed about earthquake and what are the effects of earthquake. Okay. Today I will start new topic causes and earthquake. Okay. That means what are the causes of an earthquake. So kindly request to you all of please sit with pen, notebook and science book and turn page number 209 and see the topic what are the causes of an earthquake. Okay, causes of an earthquake. Students, here earthquakes which are caused by plate tectonics are called tectonic quakes. Okay, you know earthquakes occurs due to the shaking of or sliding of tectonic plates to each other over each other on the crust layer of the earth. Okay, the majority of earthquakes worldwide are caused by disturbance deep down the uppermost layer of the earth called crust. You know there are three layers of earth: crust, metal, core. Okay, and the top layer is crust, middle layer is metal, and the innermost layer is core. Okay, but earthquake occur in the innermost layer of the crust. Okay, suppose that here this is crust layer, this is metal layer, and this is core layer. Okay, so earthquake will happen like this. That means upper of the metal part and lower of the crust part. Okay, so we can say that the majority of earthquakes worldwide are caused by the disturbance deep down the uppermost layer of the earth called crust. Okay, so earthquake occurs in the crust layer, uppermost of the earth layer, crust layer. Okay, the crust of the earth is not a single piece, but it broken into number of plates known as tectonic plates. Earth crust, the layer of crust, is made of different layers, and such layer is known as tectonic plates or tectonic layer. Okay, it may surprise you, but these plates are in contractual motion. That means these plates are in motion, slide each other over each other. Okay, but when they slide each other in very fast, then earthquake occurs. Okay, these plates can converge means shrink or meet, diverge, move away, or brushing past each other. That means when tectonic plates are over to each other and all tectonic plates are converged or diverged to each other continuously, shaking by a little speed. Okay, but when it slides more, then earthquake occurs. Okay, these movements of the plates cause changes on the surface of the earth and can cause an earthquake. And this changes, due to this changes, earthquake will happen. Students, now see the region in India where earthquake occurs most probably. Okay, the boundaries of the tectonic plates that are at high risk of earthquake are called the seismic zones or fault zones. Okay, that means the boundary of tectonic plates where due to tectonic plates earthquake may occur, and it is most probably chance to earthquake occurs. So that areas is called seismic zone or fault zones. Okay, in India, Kashmir, western and central Himalayas, the whole of the northeast run of Kutch, Rajasthan and Indo-Gangetic plain are at high risk of getting hit by an earthquake. These areas in India, Kashmir, western and central Himalayas, the whole of the northeast run of Kutch, Rajasthan and Indo-Gangetic plains, these are at high risk because they are situated near or at the border of the tectonic plates. Okay. Some parts of Deccan Plateau are also under the seismic zone. That means the few parts of Deccan Plateau is also are in danger by earthquake. Okay, so we can say that some parts of Deccan Plateau is also a seismic zone. Earthquakes which are caused by explosive and volcanic eruptions are called volcanic quakes. Okay, due to earthquake, explosive volcanic explosion or eruption are called volcanic quakes. They are in fact very common in causes of volcanic activity where they either precede or accompany eruptions. Okay, that means the volcanic eruption, we can say that volcanic eruption is happened due to earthquake. Okay, so they are in fact very common in areas of volcanic activities, that means the area where volcanic activities done, where they either proceed or accompany eruptions. Earthquakes which are caused by direct outside influences such as subsurface explosion, either nuclear test. Okay, that means volcanic eruption and tectonic plates, these are the reason for earthquake, but we are also responsible for earthquake happening, and the reason is influence such as subsurface explosion. Okay, where nuclear testing, scientists were done nuclear test. Due to nuclear testing, earthquake also it chances to occur. Okay, mining while gas production, dam or dune constructions are called induced quake. Okay, so these are called induced quakes due to nuclear test, mining while gas production, dam or tunnel constructions are called induced quakes because these factors are also responsible for earthquakes. Okay, and these activities are at the subsurface, not below the crust layer. Okay, so these are the also reason for earthquake. Students, today I have discussed about causes of an earthquake and I have discussed so many points to the reason of earthquake. Now it's time for your homework. Write down homework. This is your homework for day 28. Today I have given two questions only. See question number 1. Mention two causes of an earthquake other than movements of tectonic plates. Okay, that means you have to mention two causes other than tectonic plates. Okay, mention two causes of an earthquake other than movements of tectonic plates. And question number 2, list two states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Question number 2, list two states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.